Swelling and bruising after hip or knee replacement. In this video, you will learn what to expect regarding swelling and bruising after your hip or knee replacement surgery. After your surgery, it is normal for your surgical leg to be swollen and warm from your thigh, all the way to your foot. You may notice this more after you get home because of your increased mobility. Swelling and warmth can take many months to fully resolve. Swelling is a normal part of the healing process and does not delay your recovery. You will also notice purple discoloration or bruising in your surgical leg from your buttocks to your toes. This is also normal and will decrease over a couple of weeks to a month. Remember to ice and elevate your leg. Ice for 20 minutes on and 20 minutes off. If you had a knee replacement surgery, you might hear a click or clunking or a crunching sound in your knee. These sounds are normal. These will gradually get better with time. There is no need to be alarmed. Remember, swelling, bruising, and joint noises are normal during your recovery from hip or knee replacement surgery. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please call your surgeon's office. Thank you for watching and wish you a speedy recovery.